We're going to start by downloading EV3 Classroom from self-service and then getting to know the menus on our EV3 robot. So if you could please open self-service and then find this icon, the Lego EV3 Classroom, and install that. That's step number one. The next thing I'd like you to do is turn on your robot. To turn on the robot, you're going to be using this keypad right here. So the keypad has a middle button, which is where you turn on your robot by just pressing and holding it. You should see that the light turns red. When your robot is fully on, the light will turn green. There's an up button, a left button, a down button, and a right button also on the keypad. This button right here and over here, this is your back button. So when you push this, it will take you back out of menus. It's also where you turn off your robot. So if you push this, depending on how deep you are into the menu system, if you push this until you see this screen, you can select the check mark to shut down your robot. But let's not shut down our robot right now. Let's just turn it on. The menus in the robot look like this, and there are 4 tabs across the top, and then there are menus within the tabs. So the first tab is the Run Recent, and this is where you'll see the programs that you've run recently. The next tab is the File Navigation. This is where you'll see all of the programs that your robot has installed on it. The Brick app, this menu right here, allows you to see all of the sensors that your robot has. It can show you, for instance, the ultrasonic sensor and the distance that your ultrasonic sensor is away from a particular object. So it's a useful menu to look at what your sensors are doing. And then we have the settings menu, and we're going to be using the setting menu right now. In the settings menu, what I would like you to do is change the brick's name. So you're going to go down to where it says brick name and select that menu. And then this window should pop up. When this window pops up, you can use the delete key and delete out whoever's name you see in there and then click on the check mark. Another thing that I would like you to do is make sure that the Bluetooth settings are correct. So please click on the Bluetooth menu. And when you do that, you should see this window pop up. The first thing in this window are connections. And if you click on that, you can see all of the computers that your brick is connected to. So you can either remove those or leave them. It's up to you. But this is where you can actually see the connections that your robot has to any computer. We want to make sure that this visibility is on. That allows our computer to see our robot in order to Bluetooth to it. And then we want the Bluetooth on. So this is the Bluetooth on and off. We want that checked. We do not want iPhone, iPad, or iPod checked. So make sure those are unchecked. And then you can click this check mark right here. When you're done, you should see something like this, that the Bluetooth is checked, and that means that you're ready to go and connect to your computer, which we'll look at in another video.